This morning, the government is deploying emergency measures to stop a potential banking crisis, including the takeover of another regional bank, Signature Bank of New York, just 2 days after regulators shut down Silicon Valley Bank, the second largest bank failure in U.S. history.
And we're continuing to follow the fallout from the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank and Signature Bank. In the last hour, trading in several regional banks has been halted, and one of those banks is First Republic, which had received support over the weekend.
Hey, what's up guys? It's John Muro back again with another video. It's been a long time, yes, too long. Yes, Silicon Valley Bank, its customers line up to withdraw funds. There's so much things going on. How can the 16th largest bank in the United States actually fail, collapse, close down? Can you believe it? Here's what's the crazy thing. This bank invested the money that everybody was pouring into it, and at the last minute, it's like everybody was pulling out their money, and they didn't have the money to make sure to pay everybody back. So this bank collapsed. Joe Biden was pleased, making sure that the feds stepped in to avert the situation and help this bank. But you see that so many people were looking, standing outside, waiting to withdraw their money. And the problem is, will they have enough money to give back to everybody? And how does this affect Americans on a daily basis? Will this echo out to other banks? Will this be a continual trend in not only this bank, but other large banks doing the very exact same thing? Because all it takes is one person to get worried. Yes, get worried. And then what are they going to do? They're going to run to the bank. They're going to withdraw their money. You know, they use a bank, store savings. I even do that. And I've got my savings account. I've got my checking account. I've got a business account. And yet again, if they shut down and I can't withdraw my money, I'm in trouble. So let me know what you think about it down in the comments below. But hey, thank you for tuning in today. Why not do us a big favor and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Smash that like button while you're at it. We're going to do a ton of giveaways to get things rolling again. I've got a $25 gift card for one lucky subscriber, and you get to pick from any one of these 5 restaurants. I'm telling you, you're gonna like it. It's great. It's a good option. Why not get a free meal on us? Just subscribe and let us know which restaurant you would like. So back again to the news. Do you have a lot of money in the bank? Do you got a big savings account? Well, what's gonna happen if you get on the news and see that your bank headlines has collapsed, it's shut down, and guess what? It's closed. What are you going to do? And this is a fear that has trickled over the United States because several other banks are starting to close. So what are we going to do? Does this mean that the United States is going to run into a recession? Does this mean that things will actually be worse this year than they were in 2008? Now, if you go back to 2008, when we had that very, very hard time, it was really a huge ordeal. I remember being 18 years old and seeing the recession loom, watching the look on my parents' faces. You know, it's crazy because my parents didn't make any less money, but it's like the atmosphere, the culture, the environment, everyone knew we were in a recession. And I thought, well, we didn't make any less money. I never heard my parents once say that they got a cut in pay, that they got laid off. But I did do some more research, and I actually had some friends that actually lost everything. Yes, in 2008, several companies shut down, lost their business, lost employees, and they went bankrupt. Now, in this year, Elon Musk already said that we were in a recession, and guess what? Wall Street went down. Everything is looking a lot worse. But hopefully they will rebound, reboot, and get things going again. Would this cause fear among a lot of other people? Because all it takes is one incident to cause fear, and everybody's going to say, maybe I should go check it out. Maybe I should go withdraw my money. Hey, I'll go buy my own safe and put my money in there so that way I know. Nothing to worry about. If I ever need it, it's right there and no one can take it away. But hey, I want to thank you so much for watching today. Hey, we're getting back in the mix of things. Silicon Valley Bank collapsed. They're trying to take care of everybody who had money involved. I will continue to do more research. I will bring you guys some great, exciting news, trending news, things that you want to hear about. But again, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned because I've got more videos on the way. And until next time, I'm John Muro. Peace!